Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, Simplify Mobile Auto Repair. We're out here working on a 2017 Audi Q7. Customer requesting an oil maintenance service. So we're here, we're gonna make it happen. First thing we're gonna do, I already have the vehicle on car ramps and have a wheel chuck in the back. Make sure it doesn't slide backwards or anything like that. And now I'm gonna take the engine cover off. To get access to the air filter, I want to take a look at it and see what condition it's in. I'll zoom you guys in. As you guys can tell, that air filter looks pretty hideous. Really dirty. You know, it's got a bunch of crap everywhere. Look at this. So I was expecting this. So I did pick up the air filter for the customer as well. So we're going to be replacing this. All right, so let's get to the, sorry about that, bumped the camera. So let's get to the oil change. All right, so I got you guys underneath the vehicle. This is the drain plug. It's a T45 or a Torx 45. Remember that this washer, crush washer, has to be replaced every time you do an oil change. So let's get and go ahead and remove it and begin the oil change. All right, so I got the T45. Now we're going to start to loosen up the oil drain plug. Just be careful with this one because this one's going to come straight down. So you might get splashed with a little bit of oil. There we go. Oh man, this looks as black as molasses. Pretty dirty. It was definitely time. But so far, looking good. This is the old drain plug and this crush washer. Like I said, you have to make sure you replace it. All right, so this is the old crush washer. We're gonna go ahead and remove this. This is the old one. This is a new crush washer, so we're going to go ahead and install it. Press it down. And now we're ready. Sorry about that. We're ready to install this drain plug. All right, so let's go ahead and install this drain plug with a new washer. We're going to tighten it up right now. So we're going to be torquing down the drain plug to 14.7 foot-pounds. There it is. Doesn't take much. All right, so now we're going to be removing the oil filter. And the oil filter takes a 36 millimeter nut, which is like this, shallow, low profile. This is the one I'm going to be using. And I know you guys can't really see it too well because this bad boy's in the way, but it's pretty much right here, right below the air filter cover. We'll go ahead and remove that. Should be able to grab it now. And this is the bad one. Sorry, I got you guys guys zoomed in. This is it. So we're going to replace this seal and the cartridge as well. All right, so this is the old filter. We're just going to twist it off. So you just pull right out. Just like that. Just pull on it. Let me just zoom you guys out a little bit. There you go. Just pull this bad boy out. Put it to the side. What I like to do is get a pick. Just go underneath the seal and then just pull it up. Just go all the way around. Just pretty much just take it off. That's the old seal. There's a new seal. Oh, coat it with a little bit of oil. There's a little bit down there. So just gonna dip it in oil. Just coat it. Bring it back down. It goes right in this groove right here. So I'll put it in there. Slide all the way down. Just make sure, like I said, it's in this top groove, because there's another groove here, but there's like little lips here, so it's not gonna go in. It's the top groove. Then just make sure you lubricate. I say lubricate the new seal with oil, and we'll be good. Now we're gonna drop the new filter right in. Just push down to the clicks. There it is. Wipe down the base. Whatever oil might have spilled. And we're ready to install it. All right, so we're gonna torque down the oil filter housing to 18.4 foot-pounds. All set. 18.4 foot-pounds. Before you remove the oil cap, make sure you clean the surrounding area. There's all kinds of trash in there, dust, there's nasty stuff just laying here. Just pick this up, just clean it out. Tighten this screw. Just take this off. We'll add some fresh oil. Total capacity on this is going to be 7.1 quarts, and the weight is 5W40. I'm using the Castro Edge, the Euro formula. So this bad boy right here. So that was a total of 7 quarts. I'm gonna turn this bad boy on and see if it needs a little bit more. All right, so we just turned the vehicle on. I'm gonna let it not warm up, but we're just gonna check and see if there's any oil leaks whatsoever. So I'm gonna go underneath, and as you can see, nothing leaking from the drain plug. Nice and clean, properly torqued to specs. Now let's go take a look at the oil filter housing. So looking around the surrounding area of the oil filter housing, doesn't look like it's leaking any oil. It's good. And it's properly torqued to specs as well. All right, so to reset the oil service light, pretty much gonna hit the start button one time to turn power on the vehicle. You will come here, and you guys are gonna hit the menu button here. Here we go. Bring the So once you hit the menu, you're going to hit this wheel and you're going to turn it all the way down. Let me get you guys closer. Go to vehicle. And then once you highlight the area, you're going to push down on this wheel to select it. And then if you end up in this screen, just hit back on it. And it's going to take you to vehicle settings. Then you go down to service checks. Click on that. Go down to service intervals. Click on it. Then it says right there, reset oil change interval. You click on it and then it'll ask you yes or no. Just hit yes. I already did it, but I just wanted to take you guys through the process. After that, menu button here, and it'll take you guys back to the beginning. All right, so now we're going to remove the air filter from this vehicle. It takes a T25, and that's for the bolt that's right on top here. So we're going to loosen that up first. That's this bolt right here. And now this filter, you're gonna have to pry it from here and here, just push it out. It's in there really, it's really tight. So you're gonna have to pry it out, use a pry bar, something like this. You just pick it up. And then slide it out. As you can see, all that stuff that's in there, we want to get rid of that. There you go. Once you got everything nice and clean, you can put in the new filter. This bad boy right here. So you can all guide this tip is where the screw goes, guide it right in that centerpiece right there. And then press it in till it clicks. There you go. Now get that torque screw back, put it in. Put the cover back on. And zoom you guys in here. There's that clip right here. This one, clip it on to hold the cover back in place. There you go. And there's one on the opposite side as well. All right, sorry for moving you guys around, but that pretty much concludes the oil maintenance service on this 2017 Audi Q7 with a 3.0 liter. Thank you for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment. Have any questions on it, let me know. And until the next one, you guys have a good one.